Long hours and physical strain can challenge your health, but small adjustments can be made to make a huge difference. Start with some nutritional prep: salads, wraps, poke bowl. Keep you feeling good and energized for those long days. Incorporate short relaxation techniques during a break or whenever you have a spare minute. Focus on small changes first. Use quick workouts for stretches to relieve physical strain and keep your body limber. Even small steps can lead to big improvements. Build a healthier you one step at a time.